I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the claim basis and assembling evidence. Check whether the claim is a content ID match, manual takedown, or copyright strike, and note exact timestamps. Once done, export your original project files, raw footage, and any registration or license documents that prove ownership or permission. Make sure to screenshot the claim details in the platform interface and log dates. This foundation prevents mistakes later and determines whether you file a dispute, submit a counter notice, or contact the claimant directly. You now take action. Decide between filing a platform dispute or contacting the claimant directly. If you own the work or have a license, complete the dispute form with precise evidence and explain why the claim is incorrect. Attach timestamps and supporting files. If fair use applies, state the purpose, transformation, and market effect succinctly. Alternatively, politely request claim retraction from the claimant first, often faster. Keep records of all communication. This proves good faith and helps escalate if needed. You finish by escalating carefully. If the platform rejects your dispute and you truly believe the claim is wrongful, file a counter notice where allowed. Understanding it may prompt the claimant to sue. Provide your contact, a statement under penalty of perjury, and the good faith basis for removal. Once submitted, the platform may restore content after the statutory period unless a suit is filed. If anything goes wrong, consult an IP attorney immediately and preserve all evidence and correspondence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.